Today we're making homemade yogurt. See how thick the yogurt came out after making it. Let's get right into it. So I'm using 2 clean bowls, a yogurt starter. You can see that it's Yogurt. That's a yogurt starter. A cup, measuring cup, powdered milk, and warm water. So first I'll be measuring 4 cups of powdered milk into my bowl. So with that, I'm going to dissolve with 4 cups of warm water as well. Make sure it's warm water, not boiled water. So I'm going to mix with my whisk to make sure everything is well dissolved and no lumps in it. I'll continue to stir. Yes, you can see now everything is well combined, no lumps. So I'll take out a portion of the milk into another cup, and I'll add the yogurt starter. So make sure to check to see that it hasn't expired, because I bought one, I didn't check, I got to my phone that it has expired. So make sure to check that it hasn't expired before mixing it into your milk, else it might not form yogurt when you are done. You can see that the starter is well dissolved. It's dissolved into the milk. No more particles of the starter. So you just stir and make sure everything is dissolved before pouring it back into the milk. Just like so. Stir to combine. Make sure everything is combined. Next, we're going to strain it, run it through a strainer into another bowl to make sure there are no lumps in it. So next we're going to cover it. Make sure it's well covered. So next I'm going to wrap it up with my towel, or use a duvet, whatever you have that is thick enough to cover it, to wrap it up. Wrap it up with it and leave it in a warm place overnight or for like 8 hours. Okay, so this is it the next day, the next morning. I'm going to unwrap it now. So let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to open the lid. Okay, so this is our yogurt. The yogurt is ready. Okay, so you can see how thick it is. It came out so thick and very luscious and creamy. So we're going to add a little sugar to it to sweeten it. You can decide to leave it to use it without sugar, but I'm adding a little sugar to it to sweeten it up. So I added a few spoons of sugar. So I'm going to pour it into my glass jar. You can see how thick it came out. So I'm going to pour it into my easy lock jar and place it in the refrigerator. And so our homemade yogurt is ready. Very easy to make at home. And thanks for watching. Bye.